So this is the simulation for the Celeste track. So we trained our own reinforced learning model that teaches the car how to steer, how to move, and how to stop. So currently, the dots represents the obstacles that the car has to evade. And those movements are then translated into speed control, throttle control, and steer control. On the upper right part of our window, you can see the track and where the car is in the overall map of the track. And we can also see the running model, the model inputs, the road grid, and the A-star avoidance. A-star avoidance is the main algorithm that we use to steer the car according to the curves and obstacles that it sees on the road.